What's up, everyone? Travel with Tony here, and today I'm bringing you something truly delicious from the heart of Montego Bay. If you're in Jamaica and craving for some authentic, mouth-watering Jamaican food, then the pork pit is the place to be. But fair warning, not everything was as perfect as I hoped. Let's dive into the flavors, and I'll tell you all about it. Located just off the famous hip strip in Montego Bay, the pork pit is known for serving up some of the juiciest, most flavorful jerk pork you'll ever taste. This is a family-run joint. It is truly a staple in the local food scene, and it's easy to see why. Everything is cooked fresh and seasoned to perfection. The star of the show here is supposed to be the jerk pork. So we are here. I got the jerk pork, the quarter jerk pork. So I'm about to try the pork. You can see the crispy caramelized edges dripping with flavor. The seasoning was on point. It's definitely flavorful, don't get me wrong here. The spices and smokiness are there, but the texture, not what I was expecting. I've had jerk pork here before and it was way more tender and nice, but this one missed the mark just a little bit. Still, it's not bad. It just wasn't the wow I was hoping for. The pork pit still has a great vibe though. The laid back atmosphere is perfect for enjoying your food, and you can feel the authentic Jamaican energy here. Plus the staff here is super friendly, so it's a great spot to hang out after a day of exploring Montego Bay. To balance things off, I grabbed a cold drink because, let's be honest, a refreshing drink can always make up for the so-so meal. They've got everything like red stripe beer to tropical fruit juices, and I went with some good old sorrel to go with my meal. All in all, the pork pit is still a great spot to visit when you're in Montego Bay. The atmosphere, the vibes, and the other food options are solid.
So guys,
I just wish the jerk pork had been a little bit better, but hey, I still recommend it to anyone looking for an authentic Jamaican experience. You might just have a better pork day than I did.
But if you know any other place that sells good jerk chicken and jerk pork in Montego Bay, let me know.
One thing that I loved about the pork pit is that you can actually watch the cooks prepare your food right on the grill. It's all fresh and made to order, and you can see the attention and detail in how they work. I just wish the pork lived up to that same level of perfection.
It's juicy. I put some hot sauce on it. Not so hot. The quarter pork is more than what we're thinking soon, for sure. It's not tough. A little fatty, but not bad. It's flavorful. No, that's what I like. Here's the festival. Festival tastes alright. It's not the ultra style festival what we're used to, but it's alright. Yeah, it's not ultra style, but that one. So I just finished my chicken. I just finished my pork, and it was a little bit disappointing. It wasn't wow. Honestly, I would give it 6 out of 10. And surprisingly, back in the day, it was never like that. It was always somewhere where you can go and eat and have some good jerk pork and chicken. But I don't know, maybe it's an off day. But I would say 6 out of 10. Never really liked it.